I'm Stephen Musgrave. I work at Genumark, located in Toronto, Ontario, in Canada. My history working at Rightsleeve before we were acquired by Genumark, I've been using commonsku since about 2011, and before that I was using whatever it was called before it was called commonsku. So essentially my whole time in the industry proper, like working at a distributor, I've been using it. I mean, there's been people from Genumark on commonsku for I think probably 4 or 5 years, but the past year we've pushed the whole company onto it. So just a complete change in workflow for how we're sourcing stuff, quoting it out. Like before, our whole sales team would have been quoting from Excel sheets and just in their email with no real history of where they were quoting, what they were quoting, and why, and just kind of streamlining that, kind of creating more transparency into the whole sales process, the whole production process. I would say from a battle for hearts and minds thing to get our sales team on it, it wasn't really that hard. Like to go from I'm quoting in an Excel spreadsheet or on a calculator and just emailing them to kind of the power that they have with commonsku, it's a pretty easy sell for the sales team, and a lot more transparency for the production team. This isn't just a software change, this is a way you run your business change. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time and commitment to really learn it and do it right. And I'd say there's a lot of people that know that and think, I don't have time for this right now. But I promise you, you will never have time for it. Look at the way you're operating now. That's why you're too busy. Be too busy being successful, not keeping up, you know?